over the weekend there's been a lot of reports, and over the last week, about John Delaney and the FAI funding. Do you welcome, I suppose, the news that Delaney is set to step down, and what's your reaction, I suppose, to Sport Ireland in terms of they want to do an audit if they're going to restore that funding back to the FAI?
Yeah, I suppose the most important thing from the point of view of government is to ensure that the money that we give FAI can be restored, because the FAI is a big organisation, and soccer is very much a commercial sport, but the money that we put into it isn't for the commercial element. It's for local clubs around the country, it's for women in soccer, it's for young people participating in soccer, and we have plans to fund them for the Euro 2020 games that are going to happen here next year, which are going to be on the Aviva, and I'm really looking forward to. So we want to be still part of that, but we can't continue to commit millions of euros of taxpayers' money unless we're confident that that organisation is being run properly and it's obeying company law and corporate and government rules and all the things you'd expect an organisation to do. So Sport Ireland, which is the government body through which we fund sport, will be doing an investigation, and provided FAI can get its affairs in order, we'll be able to restore funding, and that's where we want to be, I suppose.
And you said that you were quite unhappy, or you can understand why people would have been unhappy with the committee last week and the lack of answers that were given to committee members. How do you feel Delaney performed in that committee personally, as you know, he's headed up that body for a long time, and should he have given more clarity?
Well, I think the general public, taxpayers, football fans would have liked to have heard him answer some of the questions that are still unanswered. What he did was act within his legal rights. He's not a public servant, he's not a government employee, so he's not accountable to the Oireachtas, and he acted within his legal rights in saying that he is accountable to other bodies. But I think from the point of view of the general public, the taxpayer, football fans, they would like to hear some answers to some questions, and that's still the case.